Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's videos I'm going to give you a quick tutorial guys on how to turn on and on how to turn off your Xiaomi Smart Band 7. Let's go! Hey guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel. This is just a very quick tutorial guys because I find it a little bit difficult on how to turn on and on how to turn off on our Xiaomi Mi Band 7. So guys, for us to turn it off, all we have to do is we are going to go to settings, and then let's go down and then tap on system and look for shutdown. And from there, all we have to do is we're going to click that one or tap that one. Now guys, as you may notice, there was a message before we turn it off. And it says that for us to turn it on, we need to have the charging cable. So in here, I have here my charging cable, which is already connected to the mobile adapter. And all we have to do is just connect this one. It's already connected, and that's it guys. Okay, so I know I have to read the manual, but you know, for some people, if they misplace their manual, then I made this tutorial. Okay, so if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.